Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't. Do you? I don't have a girlfriend, either. Why not? I don't know. Maybe I'm not rich enough. Girls like guys with money. They sure do. They like guys with new cars. I don't have money or a new car. Me, neither. But girls like guys who are funny. Maybe we should learn some good jokes. Well, that's a nice joke. Yeah, it is. Where are you going?
I have to walk the dog.
What kind of dog do you have?
I have a little poodle.
Poodles bark a lot.
They sure do.
They bark at everything.
They never shut up.
Why did you get a poodle?
It's my mom's dog.
So she likes poodles.
She says they're good watchdogs.
Yes, she said it right.
Okay, sir. See you soon.
Hey, can I borrow $5?
Sure. Why do you need it?
I want to buy lunch.
Where is your money?
It's not in my wallet.
Your wallet is empty?
I don't have even $1 in it.
Being broke is no fun.
Even if it's only for a short while.
It's always good to have friends.
Friends will lend you money when you're broke.
As long as you pay them back.
Yes, I know. I will pay them back. Thank you.